Namaste. Today we are going to talk about 6 yoga poses that makes your body strong and help you with weight loss. Regular practice of these postures keep your body strong, toned and increase your flexibility. So let's start. Pose 1. Veerabhadrasana 1. Strengthen legs, lower back and arms. Therapeutic for sciatica. Encourage good circulation and respiration. To perform VIDHYA, stand with your feet hip distance apart. Split your legs 4 feet apart. Right foot out 90 degree. Bend your right knee up to 90 degree. Twist your upper body towards right side. Raise your both hands in shoulder level. Twist your arms upward. Wide up your chest maximum. Raise your both hands above your head. Stretch your hands maximum. Keep your palms together in prayer position. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Exhale, release your hands. Straighten your right knee. Face forward. Right feet in. Toe pointing forward. Left foot out 90 degree. Bend your left knee up to 90 degree. Twist your upper body towards left side. Raise your both hands in shoulder level. Twist your arms upward. Wide up your chest maximum. Raise your both hands above your head. Stretch your hands maximum. Keep your palms together in prayer position. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Exhale, release your hands. Straighten your left knee. Face forward. Left foot in. Toe facing forward. Again, stand back with your feet hip distance apart and relax. Warrior Pose 2. Veerabhadrasana 2. Stimulate your abdominal organs. Develop balance and stability. Stretch your hips, groins and shoulder. To perform Warrior Pose 2, stand with your feet hip distance apart. Split your legs 4 feet apart. Right foot out 90 degree. Bend your right knee up to 90 degree. Raise your both hands in shoulder level parallel to floor. Look towards your right fingertip. Hold the posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Breathe normally. Exhale and gently hands down. Straighten your right knee. Right foot facing forward. Right toe in. Left foot out 90 degree. Bend your left knee up to 90 degree. Raise your both hands in shoulder level parallel to floor. Look towards your left fingertip. Hold the posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Breathe normally. Exhale and gently hands down. Straighten your left knee. Left foot in. Toe facing forward. Again stand back with your feet hip distance apart and relax. Warrior Pose 3. Veerabhadrasana 3. Enhance flexibility. Strengthen the abdominal muscles. Strengthen the arms and legs. To perform Warrior 3, stand with your feet hip distance apart. Stretch your hands above your head. Bend forward. Keep your knee straight. Press your palms on the floor. Slowly inhale and raise your right leg. Keep your both knees straight. Keep your right leg parallel to floor. Slowly stretch your both hands forward. Keep your palms together in prayer position. Also, keep your hands parallel to floor. Breathe normally. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Exhale and hands down. Press your palms on the floor. Then slowly right leg down. Raise your left leg with keep your both knees straight. Keep your left leg parallel to floor. Slowly stretch your both hands forward. Keep your palms together in prayer position. Also keep your hands parallel to floor. Breathe normally. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Exhale, palms down. Press your palms on the floor. Then slowly left leg down. Inhale up and stretch your hands maximum above your head and exhale, release. Then relax. Dolphin pose. Chatur Svanasana. Build upper body strength, stretches the entire body, strengthens and tightens core muscles, improves the spinal alignment. Perform dolphin. Sit in Vajrasana. Measure your elbows. Elbows in front of your knee. Open your palms. Lock your fingers. Stand on your toe. Exhale forward and inhale backward. Exhale forward and inhale backward. Exhale forward and inhale backward. Repeat it for 8 or more times. Sit on your heels, stretch your hands forward, forehead to the floor and relax. Upward dog pose. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. This pose strengthens arms and back muscles, improves posture, firms the buttocks. To perform upward dog pose, lay on your abdomen, feet together, toes stretch out. Place your palms at the side of your chest, forehead to the floor. Inhale and lift your head and chest up. Look maximum upward. Straighten your elbow. If you are comfortable, slightly raise your lower body just above the ground. Hold the posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute. While holding the posture, breathe normally. Try not to hold your breath. Exhale, lower body, chest and head down and lay on your abdomen, then relax. Downward dog pose strengthens the arms and legs, energizes the body, stretches the shoulder, hamstrings, calves and arms. To perform downward dog pose, sit in Vajrasana. Place your palms on the floor. Stand in four-leg position. Straighten your knee and inhale, raise your hip maximum up. Look towards your navel. Try to press your heels on the floor. Hold the posture for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not hold your breath. Try to breathe normally. Exhale, knee to the floor and sit back in Vajrasana and relax.